Hello, so I'd just like to walk you through a new feature that I've built. I've been talking to a good few people, and one of the things they've identified is that when a new project is being created, that there wasn't enough engagement with the user and giving the user a little bit of back and forth, or the ability to kind of like chip in with more feedback after the project is or before the project is created. I'm going to kick off a new project, create screen. I suppose the original thought process here was this was very much from a cold start perspective, so like better than a spreadsheet. Um, so let's kick this off. So it's going to have a look at this prompt, and it's going to suggest a project plan with some tasks and dependencies and estimates and all that good stuff. I'm then gonna show you some changes that I'm gonna make to it, and we'll see then the output of that adjustment. So let me see this come up now in a minute, hopefully. Okay, great. So it's done some analysis of this project. It's recommended some phases, some estimates, some tasks, some kind of like opportunities for parallel work, and so on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some changes to this. So I'm going to say delete the financial projections, add a video pitch prep, and then make the scheduling of meetings or the outreach, maybe, sorry, it's outreach here, outreach dependent on identify potential investors. So that will we'll see what happens with that. So I'm going to make some changes, and it's going to take those into the process. So okay, so now it's created. So I asked it to delete the financial projection, so that's gone. I've asked it to add a video pitch prep step, and I wanted it to make the outreach dependent on the prepare the outreach. Okay, so it's interesting. So there's two outreach steps there. So I was a little bit vague even in my message, and it still picked up something there. So that is that. So I suppose I'd be interested in people's opinions on, is that friction helpful or not helpful, or would you want it to be able to loop back to like go through various iterations and keep adding little bits of changes? That's for you to decide. So anyway, I'll leave it there and look forward to your feedback.